The euro has been creeping up slightly in today's market trade. Joining us from Abu Dhabi is Max Knudsen, Chief Market Strategist from ADS Securities. Max, just talk us through the euro-dollar briefly and what you see here ahead of the FOMC.
Yeah, hello, Louisa. Well, it's been almost a month since Bernanke made his tapering talk, and what a volatile month it's been. And I want to show you what I'm following on the euro first. And the initial chart I've got for you is a weekly chart. And what it shows is over the course of the last 4 weeks since Bernanke's talk, we've had 4 weeks of strong improvement in the euro. Gains of almost 600 pips. And that's the longest period of sustained buying we've seen in the currency in almost 1 year. Now, there hasn't been any significant profit-taking selling during this rally. There have been periods of dips, but these have been limited to no longer than 1 day at a time. And investors have bought these pullbacks. And the result in the euro is that positive momentum has now reached the highest extremes that we've seen all year. So what's this telling us about sentiment in the euro? Well, I think what it shows is an increasing degree of investor confidence in Draghi's ability to hold the European currency union together, and early optimism in some kind of euro improvement or recovery. Now, the figures haven't been great. Certainly they're not outstanding, but Draghi has said that he expects improvement in Q2, and the recent data from Germany has been better. Industrial production numbers were good, or best for a year. Exports are up, and today's ZEW numbers came in at 38.5. So I think it's positive, and I think that if you look at the next chart that I've got for you, which is a daily chart, it really brings it into perspective for this week. Now, this is a daily chart, and I've overlaid this since the beginning of the year with the 20-day moving average. And what I want to highlight here, Louisa, is the very close correlation between bull and bear swings in sentiment so far this year with breaks of this 20-day average. And in fact, there's been 5 breaks of the average since January, and each one of these has seen a sell-off lasting a month to 2 months, or a rally lasting a month to 2 months. And the most recent of these happened at the beginning of June, and we're now nearly 600 pips higher. So for me, yes, positive sentiment is very overstretched. We haven't had any significant corrections, and we're overdue one. But I'm not really concerned about sentiment in the euro unless and until it gets back below that 20-day average, which is a good 2 big figures away. And Max, I think that until that happens, sentiment can continue to improve.
Max, thank you very much. Say hi to Abu Dhabi for us. Enjoy the sunshine. Max Knudsen, Chief Market Strategist from ADS Securities.